At a shopping complex English essay. My vacations had started and it was the first day of my holiday. I was getting bored in the house. Therefore, my mother decided to take me to the shopping mall. As we reached there, the car park was dull and dark. My mother and I took the lift from the second level of the underground car park to get to the ground floor of the shopping complex. The moment we stepped out of the lift, we were greeted by a blast of cool air and the blare of music from a music shop nearby. The ground floor was bright and lively. The layout of the mall was very impressive. It was spacious and well lighted up. We were at the lobby of the huge shopping complex. There were many people enjoying there. I could see a supermarket which occupied a lot of space. Then there were electronics shops selling huge televisions and music systems that were displayed outside. Near to it was a large shop of shoes. My mother bought me a pair from there. On the first floor, there were few jewelry shops. My mother went inside and spent a lot of time seeing the new designs. I insisted her to come out and do something else. We then went to the music shop. There was plenty of music CDs. This was something of my interest. There were few animated children's movies also that fascinated me. After a lot of confusion, I finally decided to buy a few. I also bought CDs of old Hindi film music. It was a good experience. It was then time to buy some grocery from the supermarket. There were rows and rows of goods in the supermarket. We picked out the things we wanted and put them in a trolley. When we had finished, I pushed the trolley to the billing counter where my mother paid for all the items that we had bought. Suddenly, I noticed a play area for children. I requested my mother to take me there for a few rides. I enjoyed the rides and played a few video games. This was like an icing on the cake. After spending time on the rides, I began to feel hungry. My mother took me to the food court. There were many food outlets offering a variety of delicacies. It took me some time to decide what I wanted to have. We ordered the food items and sat down to enjoy them. Finally, it was time to go back home. I thanked my mother for the wonderful day we spent at shopping complex. She was happy to see a smile on my face. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.